The circle below with center O has circumference of 40. What is the length of minor arc AB? Minor arc AB will be the arc of a circle having measure less than or equal to 180 degrees. So this is our arc AB. We have to find the length of this arc. What do we see here? That the angle AOB measure of angle AOB is 90 degrees. We see that this circle is divided to 4 equals parts. So, if we have given that circumference of our circle is 40, circumference is the distance around the circle is 40, and we see that arc AB is like 1/4 of our circle. So if we divide circumference of our circle by 4, we will have the measure, the length of arc AB only, because AB is like 1/4 of circumference of our circle. So we can write that arc AB is equal 1/4 of circumference of our circle. So this is equal 1/4 times 40. So this is equal 10. So the length of our arc AB is 10 units. This is my solution.